Hi, welcome in de Notelaar. B&B here in Dworp. Have a look at that view. Welcome to this episode of Digital Nomad Lifestyle. In this episode, we will show some images of this beautiful B&B de Notelaar, which is in Dworp, close to Brussels. You'll see some spaces, and this is Pauline, my partner, and me traveling, doing workouts, visiting Waterloo, and sharing epic spaces like this beautiful B&B. We hope you like this episode and enjoy the gardens and the beautiful rooms and the city hall of Dworp. This is Waterloo, and there's an epic restaurant on the way to the Airbnb if you are in Ghent, and it's called the Appelier. Yummy vegan, gluten-free food, and flowers are always a cool thing to bring in Belgium. Here we are. We are super close to Brussels, but still it's very quiet, and the view from the garden is incredible. Come on. I love all these beautiful detailed features in the B&B. There's all these wooden doors, wooden walls, wooden stairs with all kinds of details, and it feels really good. We're gonna go up. The B&B is on the second floor. Have a look at this view when you come up. Ta-da! Anna and Benoit are the owners, and they've just hosted a dinner for us. We've visited the Waterloo Museum, and they've shown us their Airbnb, and I just love it. So we decided to make a video of it here, so you can have a look if you want to stay in the area of Brussels. So there's a bit of a beautiful bathroom. Our favorite color, the blue, teal blue, beautiful bathroom, mirror. You've got everything you need. I love these little details, as if you're in a bit of a sauna retreat. So you have everything you need, you have a bathroom, you have a separate kitchen, which is always fun if you come with a family, or like us if you're digital nomads. You can walk from here, and again you have those amazing views. You wouldn't know you're so close to Brussels. I'm dressed up because we've had a dinner party here in the garden after going to the beautiful museum in Waterloo. I lived and I grew up in Belgium. My partner's from Australia, but I've never heard the history of Napoleon and the battle. So it's definitely worth going and spending there a couple of hours, going up the stairs and checking it out. And then we saw tonight this beautiful B&B, and so it's very cozy, it's very homey, and you feel that. It's something I value a lot when we travel. How gorgeous is this? So it's closed now, we're just having a look, but I love these little seats where you can just chill, you know, when you're traveling. If you're in Brussels is a bit more busy, just come home and you can just chill. These floors are epic. And it's full of all these like very traditional, beautiful furniture. It's very clean. Have a look at the ceiling, very high ceilings. That typical Belgian style where you have stones against the wall, and then this beautiful blend with all the wood in the room. And there's a lot of details that I don't know the story behind that you can definitely ask. She's very welcoming. So yeah, you have these chairs, some information about Belgium, beautiful bed and chair. voila. That's it for this beautiful tour here in the house. Here's a couple of more images of the feel you get by staying here. See you on my next episode. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Bye. Wait.
It's a nice place. I like the wood, I like the high ceilings, and I like the separate kitchen area where you can do a bit of work and make some tea and coffee and cook. That's separate from the bedroom and the bathroom.